Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. It's Kacy. So today's video we're going to be doing a U-part wig. It's my first time, so don't judge me. Anyways, so sorry for the first couple of seconds of this video. The camera did some weird settings, so it's going to be like this for the first couple of seconds. So today's video we will be using the Ali Natural bundles, the U-part wig thread and T-pins, and also needle and thread. You know all the basics. So what I'm doing right now is I'm basically creating a neckline. So it's harder to use to create this neckline with the U-part wig because it has a thicker texture versus a regular elastic band wig. So I'm just creating a neckline. So that's the reason why you see me pulling it backwards to create that neckline. So what I'm going to do right now is I am going to line the area, well, it's going to be more than a semicircular, but practically the entire circumference with one weft, so that way when the wind blows up it doesn't look like a wig, it just looks like probably a sewing or whatever. I'm just going to speed it up because I am not about to bore y'all with all that, so I'm going to speed up most of the video because I don't think y'all need to know this, because I'm pretty sure if you're watching this you already know how to sew in air, and if you want me to do a video where I show you exactly what I do, I would be happy to do that, but I just think practically everybody already knows how to sew the air, so I went ahead and speed it up. But if you want to see it, let me know and I will do a video on how I do my stitches, etc. So that's what it's like, and that was the reason why I did it like that. So I'm just going to continue to do regular width. My camera is about to fall and a lot of footage has been deleted, so the next time you see something it's gonna be what it looked like with one pack completed. So this is one pack of the hair and you see it looks shiny. This is a synthetic hair. I did not want to use an expensive hair to try something because I won't be able to wear it either way because I have natural hair, and I'm not going to press my hair because it has damaged it before. So I pretty much just did this for trying sake. So I used synthetic hair because I figured that would be cheaper. So I just continued in a U part for the second bundle. In a U shape, I mean, I just continued that way for the second bundle. And for the last bundle, I'm pretty much going to do it with the U part and then start going sideways as I get closer to the top of the hair. And I use the T-pins to like help me secure the hair in place so it doesn't slide all about, because I'm a beginner myself, I'm not a pro, so it's easier for me, even though sometimes the T-pins does get stuck in the way, but it helps in a sense. So if you're not a pro yet, you can use them. If you don't like them, it's up to you, it's your choice, you don't have to use them. So see me using the T-pins just to secure it in the shape that I want the hair to go versus going freehand and probably losing direction of what I'm doing. So if you know you need the T-pin, go ahead girl, use that T-pin. So as I was showing you, then I started going sideways after I completely sew that semicircle up in the top. I'm going to go in a straight line horizontally across the hair. That's what I did, but I left a space in the top to make the semicircle. Well, it's not a semicircle, I don't know what shape that is, but I go the second to last weft, I go behind the outline of the wig cap, and then I'm going to put the very last one on top of that area. I'm sorry, but my coughing is bad. I have a cold and I know I have an annoying voice right now. I'm so sorry for that. And I'm just going to sew this is the second to last piece that I'm sewing, and I don't think I have much footage of me shooting the last one. Then that's because the camera died and I did not know that it was dying. So as I'm saying, you just want to For this part particularly, I can't talk. I used a lot of T-pins to help me get around in that area to get it in the shape that I wanted to go, and just ensure that all the other times I was using double weft. However, for the very last strap that I sewed, I used only one strap because I didn't want it to be bulky, and I did use the T-pins here a lot to get it in the shape of the U part for the wig. So you see it's fully shaped out, so I'm just gonna stitch it down, and there won't be much footage after this, I think, because the camera died. Well, footage of me sewing the ear actually. But as you go along, you're just going to take your time to move the T-pins that are closest to you, because it creates a tight lock. So this was the final result.